Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. In today's episode we are going to deal with formatting, with styles of our paragraphs. Well, you probably know about that paragraph blocks. I already described how that works. But what if you would like to use some function like body fpar and then to utilize all of that customization we had with our blocks? That is not quite possible. Let me describe it to you. Why is that? If we use that function, we have to provide this document as first argument. Second argument is going to be our value, and third argument is going to be style. You see, in this case you will have to provide name of style, and you are limited to some numbers of styles that Word document is providing. Let me show you what I mean by that. If you type some random value in here, and we are going to comment this line for now. If we run this code, you see R is going to provide us with the list of styles, of available styles, and we have to choose one of them. Let's say we are going to choose normal, and I'm going to uncomment this line. If I run this code, our document is going to be formed. Let me show you. We have our paragraph. Well, you see, in this case you are quite limited with styles, but fortunately there is another function, body add fpar. Well, this function works in totally different way. First, we have to create styles for text, and then we would have to create a style for a paragraph, and then finally we are going to combine all of it with this function body add pair. Let me show you how to do that. First, we are going to create text style with function fp text, and then we are going to say font size equals 17, and let's say italic true, color blue. And now we are going to create actual text. We are going to call that variable t f text, and this function is going to have as first argument text actual value, and second optional argument. In this way we have created text. We have text with variable t. This is going to be value, and with optional argument prop we are going to provide this style we have created. And finally we are going to create paragraph style. And let's say we want our text to be aligned at center. And what if we want to add to this paragraph some other text but with different style? That is also possible. Let me show you. We are going to call it f1, and let's say it's going to be size 25, and it's going to be bold, and color it's going to be yellow. Then our text is going to be t1, and we are going to set value to another value, prop is going to be F1, and paragraph style 1, we are going to align this to the left. And now, first argument that we are going to provide to this function is document, and second is going to be fpar. And now we are going to provide actual text. So text is going to be T and T1 with optional argument. And now I just figured out that I have created two paragraph styles, and we actually need one. I'm going to choose this second one. Okay, and if we print this out, oh, I have some typo in here. It's R, not T. And if we run this code now, you see everything is fine. And let me show you the result. Yeah, looks nice. And of course we have this small problem with line height. We are going to solve this right away. Let me show you how to do that. With this paragraph style, we are going to provide another argument, and we are going to set it to 2. So in this way we are going to get our line height doubled. And if we run this code, everything is fine. And let me reload this document. You see, now everything is much better. So this would be all for this episode. If you are satisfied with this content, please subscribe and see ya.